Hello, I'm Colin here and you're tuned into Shine Automotive. I'm cracking back on with the MX5, so let's get cracked on today. We've got plenty to do, all the bits are here, and we've got a deadline to do because I promised you all be ready for next Saturday. Why did I say that? Let's crack on. How are you all doing? Colin here, and we are cracking on with the MX5. We're going to start fitting all the bits today. When I spoke to you the other day, we had all the wheel arches left to do. They're all done now, all green. So it'll be a case of starting at the back end. We're going to do all the suspension, new discs, new pads, get all the back end built back up, get it on its wheels, get it back on the deck, and that's the back end done. The same as the front. Refit the torsion bar, put all the front brakes, got all the parts, so there's going to be no issues today. So let's get cracked on. Woohoo! So the best thing is to do before you start with your service is get the oil out, and then as you're doing everything else, oil can be just dripping out. You want to undo the cap from above, so you've got air can flow through it as well. Sam's starting to build up the coilovers that are going to go on the rear of the vehicle. Do the suspension first, then we can put the drop links on and build the brakes back up on the back. The actual rear drop link had snapped, so to remove them it's so much better just to cut both sides. We'll get this cut off and then we can get the new drop link on once the suspension's back on. Alright, so that's the drop link cut off on both sides, so we'll get the coilover on now. Get it all bolted back up, new drop link on, brakes built back up. Right, so that's the first corner back together. Discs are on, pads on, painted caliper all bolted back up and serviced. Got the new coilovers on and the new drop link. It looks proper nice, especially under there. Caught that well, didn't I? That's a good one. So it looks really nice, fresh to go. Well happy with it. Sam's getting the last of the old chockers off, the only spring that wasn't cracked off, and then ready to build the coilover on this back side. And all the brakes. He's loving life. Loving life. No, he's not loving life. He's been boring today. So you see the headlights are really murky and creamy. What we'll do is we'll shine them right back up and they'll be like brand new. I've got a video of how to do them. See before cleaning, really yellow, murky, to now a real crystal clear, nice shine. So if you want to know how to do that step by step, I'll pop a link up below so you can see how it's done. I'll crack on with the other one. Sam's cracking on with the other back end now. He's lost his pigeon, he's quite upset. That's both headlights done. Look mint to me. Let's get on with the next thing. Right, well that's the passenger side rear finish. Sam's got it all built back up. Got all the calipers on, brakes, drop link, new shocker. It looks mint. Happy days. Let's get on with the next one. Right, so we've got the underslung strut brace going back on. Stripped it off, cleaned it up, painted it up. Stay. Oh, that looks well now. It's getting there, but will we have it already on time? We'll find out. Where have I put my socket? It's in my pocket. A nightmare for doing stuff like that. Now that looks well. On to the next one. Right. And the rear support is going on. Remember how we're doing this? Remember how it went on? 1, 2. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. That in there. That in there. Don't fall on my head. I've got any brain cells as it is. That one in there. See, you got 8 on my head. Got no brain cells left though, so we're alright. Alright. Job done. That looks mint. It's all looking good all the way down now. Got that one on. Up there. Lovely, jubbly. So yeah, and again, let's get on to the next bit. We're running out of time. What are you doing? What are you doing? Never wandered down. Started polishing a bit of exhaust as well. The chip that'll polish up, just got to do all around underneath and around the other side. Go down. Will we get it ready in time? Will it be tested this Friday and painted? Well, we'll soon find out. Let's start getting the cam belt ready. Sam's going to start doing now is starting stripping down all the casing. He's got the rocker cover off. He's going to take the bottom pulley off and the rest of the cam cover so you can get all the cam belts stripped down ready to build up. Very nice! So we've got the cam belt off, and as you can see with this pulley that it's going to spin, it's really rough. There's loads of slack in it. You hear that? So it was definitely due a change and absolutely loads of play. So that's definitely a good call of what we've decided to do to get that done. It's a good shout, Sam. Do you know what you're doing?
Breaking it.
Breaking. Right, so that's the cam belt done. All the tension and the flop that was in and it nearly hanging off is all sorted now. See the new tensioners on there and there. We're happy. The main man's happy. You happy? Woo. Are you happy? And what are you looking in the mirror at? Watching what you're doing. Ah! Yeah, so we're running out of time. So we're going to start building back. Which side front do you want to start building back, Sam?
Finish the engine first, I think.
Finish the engine, right? No worries, mate. So we've got the rocker cover that I did last night. And that's all ready to go back on. What? What? What's all that noise?
Will it ever see the road again?
The clock is ticking, you know, Sam. Tick tock, tick tock. You said the car would be ready this week. Yeah. So Sam's building it all back up now and just changed the spark plugs. As you can see there, they are seriously crusty and they've not been changed for a long time. He's going to start putting the rocker cover on now. How are you enjoying life today, Sam? Are you feeling happy?
Yeah.
Why?
It's not Friday.
It's not Friday. What day is it?
I don't even know.
When's this video going out? You don't know?
Next year.
Next year? Would you prefer it to be on a time lapse today?
Yeah.
Yeah. But your pigeons come back to see you.
It's dead, man.
What have you got there? Let's have a look. Oh, isn't that nice? Bop, bop, bop. Got to do is put some new oil back in it and then do the fuel filter, which is underneath. We're going to start building this side up now, and that'll be finished in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Right, that's it. Back together. New coilover on. All the arms fastened up. Caliper on. New brakes all built back up. It's looking well. And then we're going to move on to the other side, but Sam's just found out now the ball joint's gone on the top arm, so we can't get this side built back up. We've just ordered one. Whether we'll get one in time, that's going to be the worry. Started prepping for the paint and get some primer on shortly. That's all knocked down. That's moved down with 1500 ready to blow in. I would have normally done it with 600 to blow in, but I don't have any. So yeah, we've just ordered the arm. Whether we'll get it in time, you'll have to find out on Saturday. Where's your pigeon? If you want to see that video, chuck a link up. If you want to see that video, chuck a link up. Right, so we'll see you on Saturday. Will it be finished? I don't know. You'll have to tune in on Saturday. So thanks for watching. I've been Colin. Pigeon. That's Sam, by the way. He's either happy or he's moody. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.
Oh yes. Have a beautiful time.